on the head. Hello everyone, this is Dee with danddgardening and welcome to our channel. Today is Wednesday, July 23rd and it is 9:24 a.m. Y'all, today is the day that I am going to stop procrastinating on something that I need to do that I have not done. Unfortunately, I'm not a genie. I don't have a magic wand that I can wave and would take care of this particular chore, so I gotta do it. And it is, I need to wash all of my seed trays and all of that, because if I don't, I can't get anything planted for fall. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, garden chores. So come along with me.
Welcome to the D&D Gardening channel. Thank you for liking, sharing and subscribing. It really helps out the channel. Let's get the show started. Here's your smiley host, Dee.
Alright, first things first is I gotta get this filled up with water. And you don't want to see. There we go. I'm not going to do it in my sink because I've got lots of dirt and I don't want to clog up the thing like I did before. So I'm going to use my little cart here. There's a way that I can leave this on without having to hold it, isn't it? No? I should have got my other attachment. Okay, that should be enough for now. Now I have no idea where my towel is. Alrighty. Y'all are not going to believe how many of these seed trays and everything I need to wash. I haven't washed any since last season. Actually, I think it's been longer than that. Uh-oh, I was blocking the camera. Go away, bird. I am making a mess. And why do I not have trash can? Oops. I'm just stepping on stuff, blocking the camera. I'm just doing all kinds of crazy stuff, y'all. But I am going to turn on my music and I'm going to get busy because I got a lot to do.
Did you know that YouTube has some really nice commercials? When they appear, check them out.
There we go. I don't think Go away. I don't think I'm using these trays anymore. So I think I'm gonna end up throwing those out. Because I like the ones with the silicone bottoms. I like those better. Easier to get them out. Plus, that'll stop me from planning so much. Tell me why. Why'd you have to go away? Yep, I think that's it. Yay! But I will keep the bottom trays. Can't even see what I'm doing. Not on anyway. I need to rinse them.
Garden, feeling like a king, planting seeds, watch the nature bring sunshine bright, got my shades on, vibe so chill, like a late night song, digging deep, roots run strong, this garden life where I belong. D's gardening where the vibes are right, chilling with the sun, everything feels bright. Planting hope in every single row. In this garden we let our love grow. Water flowing, hear the rustle of leaves. With every bloom, I'm catching my dreams. Snap a pic, let the world see. Nature's canvas, come and vibe with me. Chillin' hard, no need to rush. In this green space, it's the perfect hush. D's gardening where the vibes are right, chillin' with the sun, everything feels bright. Planting hope in every single row. In this garden we let our love grow. Grab your spade, let's make it true. In D's garden, it's just me and you.
Alright, where am I? Alright. That is going to do it for me. You see, this is what typically happens with me. I procrastinated for so long, and I didn't even really have that much to do, because I had decided when I bought those silicone seed trays that I was no longer going to use those other ones, because, to be honest, they really are for single use. I can't tell you how many of those I have torn up trying to get my seedlings out of them. That's why they sell them so cheap. And I don't want to have to keep buying those little plastic seed trays. You know, they do sell them that are the hard plastic with the larger hole in the bottom. But I like that's the thought though. Because if you can just push them up through that hole, you got the hard plastic, and they would probably be easier to clean than that silicone, because the silicone would anyway, see, yeah, anyway. But that's a thought. So but for right now, I'm going to use what I have, which are the silicone bottom seed trays. But since I had decided to start using only those, I didn't have that many to clean, because I still have some in the seed room that I haven't even used yet. So I had only started using just a few, and I washed those, and I'm done basically. So my husband always tells me, stop putting stuff off. Well, I'm working on it, let me just say that. Anywho, thank you for joining me. If this is your first time or your fifth time watching one of our videos or visiting our channel, hit that subscribe button. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified the next time we upload a video. And always remember, grow your own, eat your own. And until I see you on the next one, take care. Bye. Oh, thank God that didn't take a long time.
Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.